Hey, to connect HUAWEI Watch Fit 3 with Strava, first of all, you have to be sure that you're actually using Strava on your phone. So simply you have to actually install the application, log into your account, and now you have to move into the Huawei Health application. You have to actually click on this settings in the right upper corner. No, not this, not here. I mean, we have to go back from this one, and we have to go for me in the right bottom corner. Now, we have to scroll to the privacy management, open the data sharing and authorization, and now we have to go for the Strava. We have to click here, then we have to click to connect with Strava. Now we will be redirected into the website and our browser, and we've got all of this login method like Facebook, Google, Apple, or simple login and a password. In my case, on the Strava application, I'm using login with a Google account, so I have to do the same right here. I have to click here. Now I have to choose my account. I have to scroll, accept this, and click on the authorize. And as you can see now, I just linked successfully Strava with the Huawei Health application and my HUAWEI Watch Fit 3. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.